Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this heavy extension cable, 3 meter length, by SAFEMORE. It's a GFCI, surge protection power strip with leakage protection. We have 4 sockets, 60 ampere up to 4000 watt power. It can be delivered by this device here. It's a power strip for workshop, garage, home and office, and it comes in a yellow finish. We have a 4-in-1 extension socket strip here. This RCD socket has 4 AC slots and a 9.84 foot long robust extension cable, so that up to 4 devices can be powered at the same time. It is a robust and reliable working solution for our drills, lawn mowers, air compressors, changeovers, grinders, vacuum cleaners, nail equipment, and more. We have 9.84 foot heavy power cable here, 100% copper core. 9.84 feet, there's a 3 meter long extension cable, suitable for long term of use. Complies with the German standard safety requirements. This surge protection power strip has 4 AC outlets with wider spacing than a standard socket, so even larger adapters can be used without blocking themselves. And we have a ground circuit breaker, the GFCI. The 4-socket block is different from the convenient sockets. It triggers within 0.1 seconds and automatically interrupts the power supply when an earth fall or a short circuit occurs, preventing electric shocks. Oh, and that's a good thing, really cool. Then we have a wide application. The 16 ampere GFCI protective socket is designed for indoor use and provides safe and protected charging, so we can power our devices with peace of mind. It is suitable for a kitchen, for the workshop, for garage, or other outdoor projects in DIY segment and dry environments. This device here is easy. We have the views. There is an working status indicator on it. The operation handle we can switch to on and off position. Of course, we connect our device with an AC outlet and we insert the power plug. Then we can start with it. The rotated operation current is 30 mA. The rotated no action current is 10 mA. The trapping time is lower than 0.1 seconds. The receiving cutting sensitivity is 500 ampere. The cable length is 3 meter. The sockets are for European use. The temperature from -5 degrees up to 40 plus degrees Celsius. Humidity 10% up to 90, so you can use it really nice in the working environment. It's for indoor use only. We do not expose the extension leads to direct sunlight or place it near wall heaters. We space heaters are enclosed space prone to temperature increases. We stop using immediately when the cables are overheating. We keep the power strip away from children, and unauthorized disassembly of any parts of this power strip is of course forbidden. It's compatible with electric hammer, electric drill, water mill, electric melder, organ machines, air conditioners, microwave ovens, induction cookers, lawn mowers, and more. This product cannot be protected people who contact the 5 and neutral line at the same time, caused by electronic shock. So take care of you, but this is a standard thing we can use here. SAFEMORE makes a really cool extensive cable construction with GFCI functions. This is protection and it's a power strip with a lot of stuff and a cool cover. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.